Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Being a Student. Friends, today we are going to learn essay on a visit to a factory in 250 to 300 words. Let's get started. From the beginning, I was very curious to know how cement is made. Fortunately, I got a chance to visit a cement factory recently. My maternal uncle is a supervisor there. He made all the arrangements. He took me and my friends there. We went to the factory in the morning. Uncle took us to show the big powerhouse the very first. That powerhouse gave power to the whole factory. There were big furnaces there. There was also a big tank there that was filled with hot water. In another section, there were big rollers. Automatic machines were putting sand and stones into the rollers. They were being ground and mixed in the rollers. The cement in liquid form was being stored in big tanks. The sample of that liquid cement was being tested by the chemist in the laboratory. They made sure that the cement is of high quality or not. If it was not found of the desired quality, it was rejected. The liquid cement is passed through the big rollers. Those rollers are surrounded by big furnaces. They have very high temperature. The liquid cement passes through several stages. At last, it takes the form of soft dust-like powder. This powder is stored in big storage. From there, cement is sent to the packing section. Finally, it is packed into sacks. The whole place was full of cement particles. The workers were wearing masks. We were also wearing masks to avoid difficulty in breathing. Uncle showed each and every section of the factory to us. It was an amazing experience for us. At last, we came out of the factory. We could not stop ourselves for talking about the whole process again and again. We shared this experience with our other friends. They also started to have an interest to visit the factory. So friends, it was essay on a visit to a factory. Hope you will like this video. Thank you.